Today, we're looking at how a fear of missing out gives customers an extra push to purchase. Bike Active create the cool factor and a sense of urgency in their social media posts. By talking about limited availability, it means that customers need to be quick. And then using multiple images allows them to really show off the close-up detail of the aesthetic or performance elements of a bike, as well to try and get the potential customers excited. They understand exactly who their audience is, what floats their boat in terms of style and content, and then by using the limited availability, or here, we'll get it online ASAP, there's only one available, it means that people are much more likely to take action off the back of the post, who otherwise might have waited to see what the availability was later down the line. As you can see, it seems to have worked. Now, any business can do this by talking about how much stock they have left or how many appointments they have left. It's all about creating a fear of missing out. So any business can do this really, really easily, and it genuinely does drive people to take action where otherwise they might have just waited. Now, if I was Bike Active, I might want to look at other businesses that complement mine and turn that into a group on Maybe. And this means that I'm much more likely to be able to engage in their content easily. And it means that I can come up on their customers' radar. So here you can create a group. So for these guys, it might be, well, who would be doing buying bikes? So it might be gym goers. So I might look at a load of local gyms in my area, create a group, and then I would add it in here. And then all of the gyms would come up here. And then all I do is I share their posts, I get engaged with them. And what that means is if you've got a local gym, for example, and you're super engaged audience, then it means then that I can comment and engage in their posts. Now, the business likes it because then they're getting more engagement, which is always good. It means that you'll come up on their radar, which you might not have done before, and they might engage back in your post. But what it also means is that any of the gym goers who are supporting that post will suddenly see Bike Active come up and go, oh, who's this? So it's almost like a little digital business card. And as you can see, there'll be plenty of businesses that you can engage with. Now, if you've got any questions whatsoever, please click on the little blue button. We love to help.